Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix Google Play Store problem. If your Google Play Store is not opening and crashed every time and given some error, so how to fix it in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, click here this setting option. Find a setting option on your TV. Okay, and after that guys, open it, and after that guys, click here this app option. Find here app option, this in under this list, click on it, and after that guys, find here Google Play Store in this list. Okay, and if you not found here, click here this see all apps option. Now click on it and find here your Google Play Store app. Okay, this is our Google Play Store app. Now open it. After that guys, you can see here there are some option. Now guys, scroll down here and click here clear cache. Now click on it and click here OK button. Okay, your temporary file will get deleted here. Okay, and after that guys, you can see here there are a clear data option. Okay, now click on it, and after that guys, when you click on this OK button, your Gmail ID will get sign out here. Now after that you can click here OK, sign in again your email ID on your Google Play Store. Now we click on OK and click here. This is our setting, and after that guys, there are a uninstall updates if your problem is not fixed here. Okay, and you can use this setting. Now click here uninstall updates and click here OK. Your recent updates get uninstalled here, because sometime when your application get updates, sometime these update is not working on your TV. Okay, so maybe there are some problem on this updates, so uninstall this update, and after that guys, restart your TV and then check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is not fixed here, click here for stop option. Okay, now click on it and click here OK button. So guys, you can see here there are a for stop option get removed here under this list. Now click here again open button. Okay, and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, you can see here our Google Play Store get open here and our problem is fixed here. Now you can search any app like this Geo Hotstar, G5, as you wish you want any app. Okay, so guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed here, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.